Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena and I'm here in Berlin for IFA 2018, where Sony just announced its newest flagship Android smartphone. Meet the Sony Xperia XZ3. On the surface it looks a lot like the Xperia XZ2 from 6 months ago, but it is bigger, thinner and even a bit lighter. It is made of glass and metal, which is the standard design approach among high-end smartphones of today. What's new is that the 6-inch screen is now curved on the sides. It's a small, subtle touch, but it makes the Xperia XZ3 stand out visually. The fingerprint scanner is at the back of the phone below the camera, but it is placed a bit too low for our liking. We are still not sure if that's a placement we can get used to over time. Okay, now on to the more exciting stuff. The display is going to be a key selling factor for the Xperia XZ3. In fact, this is the first OLED display on a Sony smartphone, and as you can expect, it looks absolutely great, especially if you play something like an HDR video from Netflix or YouTube on it. A new feature called Side Sense turns the curved sides of the display into shortcuts. For example, a double tap displays a list of applications that you might want to use next. If you are in the camera, tapping would take a photo. And since this is an OLED panel, we now have a proper always-on display, showing you the time and icons for pending notifications, even when the Xperia XZ3 is in standby. This is Android 9 Pie, by the way. Kudos to Sony for launching the Xperia XZ3 with the latest software that Google has to offer. But keep in mind that not all of Android 9's features will be adopted. The XZ3 is getting Google's AI-powered energy use optimizations and the automatic brightness, as well as the screen auto-rotate suggestion. But the new gesture-based interface won't be present on the XZ3. Instead, we have the 3 classic on-screen buttons. Under the hood of the Xperia XZ3 we have a Snapdragon 845 chip, the best an Android phone can offer right now. The 64GB of storage should do for many users, but if you take a lot of 4K video, you probably want to install a microSD card in the XZ3. In the camera department, the biggest upgrade comes in the form of a new 13-megapixel selfie camera, which is a considerable jump from the XZ2's underwhelming 5-megapixel front shooter. And at the back, we have the same 19-megapixel camera from the XZ2, with cool features like 4K HDR video recording, super slow motion and predictive capture. Sony has redesigned the camera interface from the ground up with the goal of making it simpler to use and less cluttered. It has also thrown in a new feature that launches the camera automatically if you take out the XZ3 and point it at a subject. Although we're not sure if this would be faster or more convenient than just using the dedicated camera button on the side. The Sony Xperia XZ3 is set to launch in the US on October 17th through Amazon and Best Buy. It is looking like a phone worth checking out, but at a price of $900 we don't see it exactly flying off the shelves. Thanks for watching guys, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website phonearena.com for more coverage from IFA 2018.